In the heart of a quaint village stood an ancient tree, its lush branches cradling a large, captivating bell. Legend had it that when this bell chimed, the entire village would be blessed with rain, prosperity, and peace. Children often played nearby and occasionally heard its melodious tone. One day, the villagers were stunned to discover that the bell had vanished. Bewilderment spread like wildfire. Perhaps the wind whisked it away, or maybe a thief stole it, they speculated. A brave and clever boy named Hassan lived in the village, determined to unravel the mystery himself. Hassan ventured to the tree at night when everyone else was asleep. There he noticed peculiar tracks on the ground, animal footprints, not human. Following the trail into the forest, Hassan was enveloped in darkness, with eerie winds whispering through the trees. Steeling his nerves, he pressed on. Suddenly, the bushes rustled, and out emerged two monkeys. Startled, Hassan hid and observed. The monkeys were attempting to hang the bell on a tree. Intrigued, Hassan realized that the bell's interior harbored the scent of sweet fruits, beloved by the monkeys, which was the reason they had taken it. With cunning, Hassan devised a trap using a sweet piece of candy as bait. The monkeys, lured by the treat, were ensnared. Hassan calmly retrieved the bell and returned it to the village. The next day, the villagers were amazed when Hassan brought the bell back. The elders praised him, saying, "You solved the mystery with courage and wisdom." Moral: even in fear and uncertainty, courage, cleverness, and wisdom can resolve the most perplexing problems.